Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing hardware. Make sure the HyperX Cloud 3 is charged and that you have the correct adapter for your iPhone. If your phone lacks a 3.5mm port, plug a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter into the phone, then connect the headset. Once connected, look for any inline mute switch and set it to open. This prevents silent audio. Take a moment to test basic playback. This confirms the physical connection before you tweak software settings. Now configure the iPhone so it uses the headset. Open Settings, then Privacy, then Microphone, and enable access for the app you plan to use. This lets your mic transmit. Next, launch the app and, if available, select the HyperX device from the audio output menu. Some apps auto-switch. Make sure the iPhone volume sits around 50 to 75%. Then fine-tune using the headset's inline volume wheel. This keeps levels clean and prevents clipping during calls or games. Finish by testing both playback and microphone function. Make a short call or record a voice memo and listen back for clarity. If voices sound distant, open the app's audio settings and boost mic gain or apply a mild EQ. Small boosts to mids often improve speech. If you hear nothing, unplug and replug the adapter, ensure the inline mute is off, and confirm the app has microphone permission in settings. This single tip solves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.